Hello, good morning students. Welcome to KR Memorial CBSE School. This is your 5th standards English class. I am your Akshita Miss. Okay students, in last class we came to know about new words of your unit, first unit of your second term, that is our words. So we came to know the new words. I hope you all noted down new words and you started to read those new words. Okay, and we also came to know that how to read once we have read the lesson. So in this class we will start the unit, first unit, that our words. So students, see here, before starting the unit, here we have given one exercise. What they have said us, choose the right word for each blank. See here, one paragraph is given, so some blanks are here. So we have to choose these words, correct words, which word suits here in this sentence. So see, let us see. Bones like glass are. So bones and glass, they are alike, like dash, but while broken dash can be mended. Broken dash cannot be mended. Without bones, our body would be a dash lump. So see students here. Bones they are like glasses. So bones and glasses, they are alike. So they are like, they have given four words. Those are bones, shapeless, brittle, glass. So what is bones? We know the bones in our body, in human beings or in animal body, we know. See here, these are known as bones. See, these are known as bones. So shapeless, without having any shape, is known as shapeless. So brittle in the sense of bamboo, like a bamboo stick. So bamboo stick. So glass, we know, glass, yes. So these four words, where they suit to the sentences and which gives a meaning, we have to fill the blanks. See here, they have given, see, bones, like glass are dash, but while broken dash can be mended. Dash can be mended. Broken dash can't be mended. Broken dash can't be mended. Dash can't be mended. Without bones, our body would be a dash lump. So here we have to fill these given blanks with the words like bones, shapeless, brittle, glass. With these words we have to fill the blanks. So bones like glass are, how are they? They are like brittles. So bones and glass, they are like bamboos. So they are like brittles. So but while broken, dash can be mended. So if the bones they broke, we can mend. We can join those So but what we cannot mend is glass. If glass it breaks, if the glass it is broken, then we cannot mend the glass. Okay friends, which we can mend bones. So but while broken bones can be mended, but broken glass, so which cannot be mended, broken glass cannot be mended. Without bones our body will be like a, so if you don't have any bone in your body, if you don't have any bone in your body, what would have happened is your body would be shapeless. So our body has bones, so for that we have a shape. So if you don't have any body, then what would have happened? Yes, our body it would have become shapeless. So which one is suitable here? Shapeless. Shapeless. Okay, complete the given starter kit. So complete this one, take it down. Okay students, see, let us start the unit. Okay, now get set. Noida loved playing on the monkey bars during the recess period. One day she was going up the bars, she slipped and fell down. So see students, here this story about our bones, it tells about a story of a girl. So one day in one school there was a girl, she is named as Noida. So Noida, she is a girl, she loved to play the monkey bar game. See, what is monkey bar? See here. Here one bar is there and another bar is here, and up on these two bars, this one bar is there. So here we can see like ladder, it is like ladders. So here also it is like ladders. So students, what they do, they used to move from one block to another block like monkeys. So for that, see here how they are hanging. They are hanging like just like monkeys. So for that, this bar is known as monkey bar. So Noida, she is a girl in the school. She loved to play the monkey bar. She used to play on the monkey bar. So one day what happens, when she used to play, when it is recess period. So when they are allowed to go for the rest. So recess period is there in the school. For the children, recess period is there. So when it is recess period, then she used to play that monkey bar game. So one day what happens, it was a recess period, then she came out of the class and she was playing on the monkey bar. See here. See students, here one girl and one boy, they are playing on the monkey bar. So like that only Noida, she was also playing on the monkey bar. So what happened, when she was playing on the monkey bars, she slipped and fell down. So her hand slipped from the monkey bar and she fell down. See here, the girl Noida who has fell down, her hand slipped and she fell down from the monkey bar. See, the height of the monkey bar is too much. So she is a little girl. So she fell down. When she fell down, her hand slipped out and she fell down. So when she fell down, what happened? Oh, my arm hurts, cried Noida. So when the height of the monkey bar was too much, but when someone fall down, what happens? It hurts. So like that only Noida, she was also hurted by in sadness, in pain, she cried out that my arm hurts. So her arm, it was hurting. So she cried that her arm was hurting. So her arm, what it was doing, it was hurting. So when the other children are there, also there are other children are also there. So they were also playing. So when she fell down, suddenly what they do, the other children at once ran to tell Noida's class teacher. The teacher became worried and rang up Noida's parents. So other children were there. So what they did, when Noida she fell down, the other children, they ran to the teacher of Noida's teacher. So Noida, she is in school now. So whose responsibility she is now? She is her class teacher's responsibility. So when she fell down, other children, they ran to her class teacher and told her that Noida had fallen down. So Noida, she had fallen down. This was known to the teacher by other children. So when the teacher, she heard that news, Noida, she had fallen down from the on the monkey bar, then she was very much worried about her. So when she was in the school, Noida, she was in the school, when she fell down and her arm is fractured, then whose responsibility is? It is school's responsibility and teacher's responsibility. So for that, she became worried and she rang her parents, in the sense she called her parents. Whose parents? Noida's parents. So Noida's parents were called by her class teacher. So when Noida's teacher rang Noida's parents, what happened? Noida's father came in his car and took Noida to hospital. So when Noida's father got the call of Noida's teacher, he became to know that Noida, she has fallen down from the monkey bars and she is hurted, and she was hurted. So what happened? Noida's father, he came in his car. So Noida's father, what he did, when he came to know about the accident, then Noida's father, he came in his car and what he did, Noida's father, he took Noida to the hospital. Why? Because her arm was hurting. So she was in the deep pain. So her father, what he did, he took Noida to the hospital. So when he took Noida to the hospital, what happened? Let us see. The doctor took an X-ray of Noida's arm. My child, your arm is broken, said the doctor. He showed Noida the X-ray of her arm. Noida could see the broken bone. See, so when Noida's father, he took her to the hospital, and then Noida, she had the pain hurt in her arm. So her arm, it was scanned. It was her arm's X-ray, it was taken. So when you might have seen that when someone's bone is fractured, someone is hurted someone is fractured, then first procedure what they do in the hospital, they take the X-ray. X-ray we know. Yes, they take the X-ray. So like that only Noida's father also, when Noida's father, he took Noida to the hospital, doctor, he took the X-ray of Noida's arm. So when the doctor, he took Noida's arm's X-ray, he came to know that by the X-ray we can see the bones. So what happened to the bone, we will come to know. So when Noida's X-ray was taken, then the doctor, he told Noida that her arm, it was broken. So when she was fallen from the monkey's bar, so she was fallen from the height. So when she fallen from the height to the ground, then her arms bone. So here we have bones. So in our hand, in our arms, we have bones. See, you can feel it. We have bones. So her arms bone, it was broken. Why? Because she was fallen from the monkey bar. So her arms bone, it was broken. It was fractured. So doctor, he told her that her arms bone was broken. So then he not only said her, he also showed her X-ray report. So X-ray report, X-ray he showed her, and in that report she was able to see the bones fracture where it has broken. She was able to see that. She could see the broken bone in that X-ray. So what happens next, students? So when her X-ray was shown to her, she was able to see the broken arm. So what happened next? See. The doctor put a plaster cast on Noida's arm. It will get better in a few days, said the doctor. The broken ends will join together again. Then your mended arm will be as stronger as it ever was. So the X-ray was shown to the Noida, and she could see the broken bone in that X-ray. So now the bone, it is broken. So doctor, what should he do? Yes, doctor, he put a plaster cast. So we have seen so many people, we have seen when they have broken their bones, what the doctors do? They put plaster cast, white plastering, plaster cast in the sense mold made with the thin material and plaster of Paris. So white color plaster of Paris, plasters. So when someone broken their eyes, hand, leg, arms, leg, or vest, like that, we can see the plaster put on their hand, leg, on somewhere else. So that plaster cast, it was put on the hand of arm of Noida. Why the plaster cast was put? Yes, why? Because by putting that plaster cast, we can mold, we can rejoin the bone where it has broken. We can rejoin that bone, mold in the sense joining. So we can mold that broken bones, we can join them. If the bone it breaks out, we can join the bones. Okay. So to join the broken bone, doctor, he put plaster cast on Noida's arm. So it will, and when he put plaster cast on the Noida's hand, he told Noida that it will get better in few days, said the doctor. So doctor told her that it would get better in few days. In few days, that broken bone, it would get better. It would rejoin in few days. He consoled her that no worries of bones can be joined in few days. What would happen? The broken bone, it would rejoin, he told her. So and the broken end will join together again. Then your then your molded arm will be as strong as it ever was. So he told Noida that the broken her arm is broken now. So it was broken then. So doctor, he told her that he has put plaster cast on her arm, and he has told her that it would become, the broken hand, it would get better few days, and also he also told her that the broken ends, so the bone it is broken in the sense it forms two ends, so middle is the bone, it may be broken, it may broke, so the two ends they may form. So the broken two ends, what they can do, we can join together again. So those broken two ends they can be joined together and they will be molded. So the bones they would molded, and when the bones, broken bones, they get attached, they molded, the bones, the arm, it becomes as strong as it was earlier. So students, as strong as it was earlier, see here. So comparative degree is, sorry, not comparative, positive degree is there. So see, so how her arm before the breaking of bone, it would become as much strong as after the molding. So the doctor, he consoled her, he told her everything, how to join the, how to get together, and two ends how they get together, and how the broken arm it will become as strong as earlier, he told her. And after that, after putting plaster cast and after telling her about the joining of the bones, what happens next? Let us see in the next class. So students, here we came to know Noida. She is a school going girl. She loved to play on monkey's parts, and one day what happened? Noida, she was playing on the monkey bar on the recess period. Then she fell down and she was hurted, and she cried out that her arm was aching. Then other children were there. Other children, they ran to the teacher or class teacher of Noida, and the class teacher, she came to know about Noida has fallen down, and she was worried about her, and she rang Noida's parents. Noida's father, he came in his car and he took Noida to the hospital. And in hospital, first when they went to the hospital, Noida's arm X-ray was taken, and in that X-ray they came to know Noida's arm has the arm's bone, it has broken. So the doctor, he told to the Noida that her bone, it has fractured, it had fractured or broken. So it will they will put the plaster cast and it would become as strong as earlier. And this one is this much we have come to know. In next class, students, we will come to know what happens next in the next class we will see it.